Welcome to the random shit that we're gonna do tonight. It's cereal time, bitches. See this YouTube? This is my mother, okay? Mama, don't hide your face. The YouTube people want to see you. YouTube, let me tell you something. Ginger, out.
Can't sneak up on it. It ain't gonna work.
We gonna get you, mama.
Yeah, I'm really about to go spring break now.
Welcome to the random shit that we're gonna do tonight, alright? We're finna do some random shit on the kids.
Yeah, we probably will.
We're gonna do some random shit.
Yeah, turn the corner.
Turn the mother!
We got the light. Let's go.
And if you think you ain't finna make that light, you got another motherfucker coming.
You got another thing coming, goddammit.
I bet some of you wish you could be in this motherfucking car right now, motherfucker.
Probably, you know. Damn! Bright lights!
Boy, I swear.
What you call it? Defrost. All the way on the other side. Over there. It's all the way over there.
Is that it? Ah, yeah. Gotta get my time rolling. Oh, shit. I'm so black, all y'all can see is my teeth. Kind of look like that cat from Alice in Wonderland. Everything is just just not the way. Everybody's asking why I'm smiling out for bitch. But I know, but it's worth it, have to fight it through my veins. If I leave her in, baby, it's... Yes, I am pregnant. Those people think I'm not. I ain't in no I can't even spell. Don't know what to tell. Don't know what the fuck the song means. Finally, you put me on top. Ooh, come on, baby. I was tired of being on the bottom. You like doggy style. And I'd have told you, you ain't fucking me in my ass. You fuck my ass. I can see the way from She got to go. Tastes like a... Well, actually, it kind of tastes like a strawberry milkshake, but we're not going to say much on that. Everybody asks me why I'm saying it, but I don't care. You see the Burger King. Oh, driving down the road, I hope we hit this car in front of us. Move the fuck out the way, baby, it's you. You need to press that gas. You need to move your ass. Come on, baby, it's you. Gonna make everyone gon' crash, cause you won't move your ass. You going slow as fuck. You got my love on top, 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 top. Oh, come on, baby. You gotta press that gas, 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 gas. Press that gas. Baby, it's you. You are moving so slow. We can't even go, cause you won't press that gas. We ain't gonna make the lights. You keep moving slow. Oh, now your ass wanna move. When we was behind you, you was slow, slow as fuck. Slow. There you go. Don't know, maybe it's you. You're moving slow as fuck, baby. You need to press that gas, baby. You need to move your ass. Ooh, it's getting too high. You're the reason that we crash. You're gonna kill all our ass. Hold up, the song ain't over, radio. Radio. Shit. Ooh, she all on me, I think she want me. Yeah.
Wagons down. What's wrong?
They shouldn't leave.
All right. Let's just get out of here, man. All right, fuck it, we're landing. Shit. Let's take her down. Is there something wrong?
No, everything's fine. You probably just forgot something. We'll be in the air in no time. Okay? Don't worry. Hang in there.
All right, fuck it, we're landing. Shit. Let's take her down. Is there something wrong?
No, everything's fine. You probably just forgot something. We'll be in the air in no time. Okay? Don't worry. Hang in there.
Something's wrong.
Haley McMurdo,
or any ears on emergency channel. Do you copy? Over. I repeat, this is Tool Station.
They crashed here, right behind this reach light.
Some crazy shit.
It's impossible to reach them.